Welcome to Mindfully Integrative Podcast with your host, Dr. Damaris G. Mindfully Integrative is a podcast discussing ways toward mindfully incorporating integrative health into our lives. This podcast will have informative resources, fun topics, interviews, and discussions relatable for today with a true mindful perspective in a mind-body, holistic life approach.
Hi, how are you? This is the Mindfully Integrative Show, and this is Dr. Damaris Maria Grossman, Integrative Family Nurse Practitioner. And today I'm talking about a mindful public health awareness and about donating blood and being available or working out, because this month is about trying to save a life. And one small thing that you can do in a charitable way is by donating blood. In the last few months, especially during this pandemic time, the American Red Cross and other local communities and hospitals have been in need and have been desperately low on blood supply due to all of the needs of illnesses, due to the pandemic, due to those with certain treatments that were necessary, and accidents and kidney issues and health issues and blood disorders. And blood banks have been slowly depleting their supply. And one small step that each one of us can do is take the time to donate blood, if that is available and you are a candidate. So first, you can look at your local American Red Cross, your local hospital, your local health department or community, and see if that's an available option for you to join a blood drive or to go to a clinic to be able to do this for an individual. Now, there are different types of blood, and the most universal, so the universal donor is the universal blood type O negative. So if you are O negative, we want your blood, the most needed blood to donate. And the universal plasma donor is the type AB. So if you have AB blood or type O negative, recommended that you would help with donating your blood so that it can help with saving lives from transfusions. The universal blood donor is approximately around 45% Caucasian, around 51% African American population, 50%, 70%, 57% in the Hispanic population. And this is just the most necessary blood that can actually be given to other blood types, because there are a lot of other very rare blood types out there, and with them, we can utilize it more carefully. Now, with an A or AB blood type, they're a little bit more specific. Not that it's not needed, it's just more specific. So, other universal plasma donor is AB. So if you are AB, you also would be a candidate, but really anyone can schedule an appointment if they meet the criteria and they're a candidate. Donate blood, save a life, make a difference. This is, a public health awareness announcement. You can go to your American Red Cross, look at your local health community, neighborhood, see where there is an available section or where you can go. It's surprising what you can donate and why you're donating. The amount of blood that is needed and the altruistic gift that you're giving someone, you really can save a life. Just in organ transplants and open wounds and ERs and amount of illnesses, it can really pay forward. You never know if you're going to end up in the hospital. You're going to be that person at some time that needs blood donation. So I will send in some links of different companies locally where you can reach and the importance of donation. So thanks for coming on to the show today and just listening in to just a little bit on a mindful public health awareness of blood donation and the importance of giving life. Thanks today. And this is the Mindful Way each and every day, the chat on the Mindfully Integrative Show. Thanks again, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Thank you for listening to the Mindfully Integrative Show with Dr. Damaris Maria Grossman, family nurse practitioner. This podcast is for informational and educational purposes only and is not to substitute for professional medical advice, diagnose, or treat. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your healthcare routine. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss an episode. If you enjoyed our show, please support us by leaving a mindful review on Apple Podcasts or your favorite streaming platform. Interested in being a guest or more information? Email us at info@mindfullyintegrative.com. For resources mentioned in the show, visit our website at www.mindfullyintegrative.com. You can also connect mindfully with Dr. Damaris on her social media links found on the site. May your strength and peace guide you to find a mindful way every day. Namaste.